Hello, my dear children. I hope all of you are safe and sound at your home. Do you remember what we have learned in last class? Yes, we have learned about a boy named Samir. What was the name of our lesson? Going for a picnic. So, the name of our lesson was Going for a Picnic. And do you remember what we studied in that chapter? Yes, we have seen that Samir and his family are going for a picnic, isn't it? They are preparing for a picnic. We have seen that Samir and his family are preparing for a picnic. Do you remember who all were there in Samir's family? Do you remember in last class I have shown you a picture of Samir's family. Shall we see it once again? Okay, see this? Do you remember this picture? Do you remember this picture? Okay, I have told you that this is Samir's family. Can you tell me who is this? Who is this? This is Samir's father. And who is this? This is Samir's mother. And what is her name? Anita. Okay, now who is this? This is Sarah. Who's Sarah? Who is Sarah? Sarah is Samir's sister. And who is this? Yes, this is Samir. And who is this? Can you tell me who is this? This is Samir's grandmother. And what is her name? What is her name? Leela. And who is this? Can you tell me who is this? This is Samir's grandfather. And what is his name? His name is Mohan. So, you remember this picture. You know all the family members of Samir. Okay. So, I have given you a homework. Have you done your homework? Have you done it? Do you remember what was the homework? Yes, I have asked you to introduce your family. And I have asked you to send me a video, isn't it? So, some of you had sent me your video. So, Adib, Amy and Gabriel, I have seen your homework. You all are good children. So, claps for you. You all are good children. All right. So, we have seen that Samir and his family, they are going for a picnic. They are preparing for the picnic. Okay, so in last class we have seen that they were packing things. To go for the picnic, they were packing things, isn't it? So, we have seen that Samir and Sarah, both of them helped their parents and grandparents to pack things. Okay, now let's see what happened after that. Take your textbooks and see page number 13. Page number 13. Have you seen? Okay. Now look into your textbook. Grandmother makes sandwiches for everyone. She makes tomato, cucumber and cheese sandwiches. Then she packs them in a basket. So, they are going for the picnic, and in last class I have told you that they are taking food items with them. They are going for the picnic. Along with them, they are taking the food items. So, grandmother makes sandwiches for everyone. So, what is grandmother doing? She is making sandwiches. Do you love sandwich? Yes, sandwich is a good dish. It is very tasty. So, grandmother is making sandwich. She makes tomato, cucumber and cheese sandwiches. So, what all are the ingredients of grandmother's sandwich? Tomato, cucumber and cheese are the ingredients of grandmother's sandwich. So, she is preparing sandwich for everyone. And what all are the ingredients of the sandwich? Yes, tomato, cucumber and cheese. Okay. Father carries the cricket bats to the car. Father carries the cricket bats to the car. So they are going for the picnic. They have taken their food items with them and they are going to enjoy, right? They are going to enjoy. So after having food, they want to play. They have a plan to play there. So father carries the cricket bats to the car. Father is taking cricket bats to the car. He calls out, Samir, please bring the cricket ball. It is in the toy basket. So, father is telling that, Samir, go and take the cricket ball. Father, already he had taken what? Cricket bats, and he asked Samir to go and take the cricket ball. They are going to play cricket. They have a plan to play cricket during their picnic. It is in the toy basket. So the cricket ball is kept in the toy basket. Samir runs to the toy basket. So Samir, he ran to the toy basket. He picks up the cricket ball and the football. Father asked him to go and take the cricket ball. And what did Samir do? He ran to the toy basket. He have taken the cricket ball and also the football. So he thought that father has a plan to play cricket and Samir had a plan to play football. Okay, so Samir runs to the toy basket. He picks up the cricket ball and the football. He takes them to the car. Father says, "Thank you, Samir." So father asked him to go and collect the cricket ball. Samir did the same and he gave the cricket ball to his father. And what did father say? Father said, "Thank you, Samir." Do you remember that? In last class, I have told you that whenever somebody offers us a help or whenever somebody helps us, in return, what we have to do? You have to say. What we have to do? We have to say, yes, we have to say, thank you. Very good. We have to say, thank you. Father and Samir put all the picnic things in the car. So they are going for the picnic. All their preparations are over. They have taken food items. They have taken paper plates. Then they have taken cricket bat, cricket ball, football, all the things. They have taken all the things they want. And what did they do? They put all the picnic things in the car. They are going for the picnic in their car. So they have taken all these things and they have placed it inside their car. Now they are ready to go for the picnic. So all the preparations are over. They all got ready. They have packed all the things. They have kept all those things in the car. And now they are ready to go for the picnic. Okay. Did you understand? Now they are going for the picnic. They have prepared everything. Now they are going for the picnic. Now let's do an activity. Are you ready to do an activity? Are you ready? Okay. Now take your textbook and see page number 14. See? Can you see this? 14. So we are going to do this activity. A1. Comprehension. Comprehension. We are going to do this activity. Now see, I have written it on the board. Comprehension. Can you see this? Alright. Packs buns in the box. So you have to tell me who does these things. So it is written in your textbook. Who does these things? Write the names in the blanks. You have to write the names of the people who does this. Okay, the first one, packs buns in the box. Can you tell me who packs the buns in the box? Who packs the buns in the box? Do you remember? Yes, Samir. Samir packs the buns in the box. Samir packs the buns in the box. Now, the second one, makes sandwiches. Do you remember who makes sandwiches for the whole family? Yes, grandmother. The grandmother makes sandwiches for the whole family. So, grandmother. Okay, grandmother makes sandwiches. Who does this? Grandmother. Now, brings the football. Can you tell me who brings the football? Yes, father asked Samir to bring the cricket ball. Samir went to take the cricket ball, and along with the cricket ball, yes, he had taken football also. So, brings the football. Who does this? Samir. Yes, Samir. Now, the last one, gets paper plates. Gets paper plates. Can you tell me who does this? Grandfather asked Dash to bring the paper plates. Yes, right. Sarah gets paper plates. Who does this? Sarah. So, shall we repeat this once again? Packs buns in the box. Who does this? Samir. Makes sandwiches. Grandmother. Brings the football. Samir. And gets paper plates. Who does this? Sarah. So, you have understood this activity. Now, we are going to see the next activity. Before that, you have to write down this in your textbook. Okay. Now, let's do the second activity. So, we are going to do the second activity. Now, take your textbook and see page number 14. Have you seen this? Page number 14. So, we are going to do the activity A2. Can you see this? A2. We are going to do this activity. See? Write true or false in the boxes. Some boxes are given in your textbook and you have to write true or false in these boxes. Okay, can you see this? Okay, now the first one. Samir and his family are going for a picnic. Samir and his family are going for a picnic. You should tell me whether the sentence is right or wrong. Is the sentence correct? Samir and his family are going for a picnic. Yes, the sentence is correct. We have learned that Samir and his family, they are going for a picnic. They are preparing for a picnic. So the sentence is correct. The sentence is correct. If the sentence is correct, what should we write there? True. It is shown here to write true or false in the boxes. So, the sentence is correct and we should write there true. So, we are going to write here T. T for true. T stands for true. We are writing here T. Okay. Now, the second one. Sarah walks to the kitchen to get paper plates. Sarah walks to the kitchen to get paper plates. Now, can you tell me whether this is right or not? Is this sentence correct? No. Sarah walks to the kitchen to get the paper plates. But the right answer is Sarah runs to the kitchen. Yes, we have learned that Sarah runs to the kitchen to get the paper plates. So, the sentence is right or wrong? Wrong. If it is wrong, we have to write F. F for false. Okay. So the sentence is not correct. It is wrong. So we have written here false. Okay. Now the third one. Samir packs the buns in the blue box. Is this sentence correct? Samir packs the buns in the blue box. No, we have studied that Samir packs the buns in the red box. In the red box. So it is written here blue box. It is not right. So what we have to write here? The sentence is wrong. So we'll write here F. Okay, F for false. Now the fourth one. Grandmother makes sandwiches for Sarah and Samir. So what is written here? Grandmother makes sandwiches for Sarah and Samir. Is the sentence correct? No, the sentence is not correct. The right sentence is grandmother makes sandwiches for the whole family. Grandmother makes sandwiches for the whole family. Who all were there in Samir's family? Samir, Sarah, father, mother, grandfather and grandmother. So, grandmother made sandwiches for all the people in their family. So, it is written here, grandmother makes sandwiches for Sarah and Samir. So, is this sentence correct? No, the sentence is wrong. So, what will we write here? You should say false. Very good. So, the sentence is not correct and we wrote false. Okay. Now, the last one. Father puts the toy basket in the car. Father puts the toy basket in the car. Is this sentence correct? We have seen that father asked Samir to go and get the cricket ball, and Samir went to take the cricket ball and they kept all those things in the car. But father didn't keep the toy basket in the car. Instead, what he did? Father kept the cricket bats. He was carrying the cricket bats to keep in the car. So is the sentence right? Father puts the toy basket in the car. No, the sentence is not right. So the answer is false. So we'll write here F. Okay. So did you understand? Did you understand the second activity? So we have completed A1 and A2. Now we'll move on to the next activity, A3. Are you ready? Shall we do it? Okay. Now we are going to do the third activity. Okay. Now take your textbook and see page number 14. Okay, page number 14. We are going to do activity A3. Okay, so match the words in column A with the words in column B. Number 1 is done for you. Okay, so I have written it on the board. Match the words in column A with the words in column B. Okay, here are two columns, column A and column B. And some words are also given in these two columns. Alright, so number 1 is done for you. So see this, there are two columns and some words are given in these two columns. What we have to do is we have to match column B with the words given in column A. Shall we do it? Shall we start? See this, buns are matched with red box. So we have learned in our chapter that Samir keeps the buns in the red box, isn't it? Samir keeps the buns in the red box. So like this, number 1 is done for you. Buns are matched with red box. Okay. Now let's see the second one. Cakes. Cakes. Can you match with this column B? Cakes. Yes, cakes are kept in the blue box. Yes, we learned that Sarah packs the small cakes in the blue box. So we can match it like this. Cakes are kept in the blue box. Okay, now see the third one, sandwiches. Can you tell me who made sandwiches? Yes, grandmother made sandwiches for the whole family, isn't it? See this? Can you match sandwiches with any word in column B? Grandmother makes sandwiches for everyone and she kept it in. Yes, she kept it in basket. Very good. So how can we match this? Sandwiches can be matched with basket. Okay. Sandwiches can be matched with basket. Now see the fourth one. Bats and balls. Bats and balls. Can you tell me who kept bats and balls and in which place? Samir helped father to keep the playthings in the car. Father asked Samir to go and get the cricket ball and Samir brought football and cricket ball. Isn't it? After that, father kept all the playthings inside the car. Now can you tell me what is the answer of this? Bats and balls can be matched with car. Very good. So bats and balls are matched with car. Okay. Now the last one, paper plates. Okay, paper plates. Now which one is left here? We have matched buns with red box, cakes with blue box, sandwiches with basket, bats and balls with car. Now which is left out? Shelf. So we have learned that Sarah picks the paper plates from the shelf. We learned it, isn't it? So paper plates can be matched with shelf. Very good. So we have done activity A3. Shall we repeat this once again? Buns are packed in the red box. Yes, repeat after me. Cakes are packed in the blue box. Sandwiches are kept in the basket. Bats and balls are kept in the car. And paper plates were taken from the shelf. Okay, so did you understand? So we have completed activity A3. Did you understand? Okay, now I'll show you something. See this, children. Can you see this? Can you see this? Can you tell me what is this? Can you tell me what is this? This is a family tree. This is a family tree. Okay. So this is the family tree of Lena. See this, children. This is Lena. Okay. This is Lena. Can you see her name written here? This is Lena and these are the family members of Lena. Okay. Now let us know who all are the family members of Lena. So this is Lena. This is Lena's brother. Can you see Lena's brother's name is written here? What is his name? He is Anil. Okay. So this is Lena. This is Lena's brother and his name is Anil. Okay. Now, this is Lena's mother. Can you see this? And what is her name? Lena's mother's name is Renu Mehta. Okay, Lena's mother's name is Renu Mehta. Now, this is Leena's father. Can you tell me what is Leena's father's name? Leena's father's name is Ashok Mehta. Can you see his name written here? Leena's father's name is Ashok Mehta. Okay. Now, this is Leena's grandfather. Can you see his name written here? Leena's grandfather's name is Madan Mehta. Okay, this is Leena's grandfather and his name is Madan Mehta. Now we'll see Leena's grandmother. Can you see this? This is Leena's grandmother and her name is Kamlesh Mehta. Okay, this is Kamlesh Mehta. So children, we have seen Leena's family tree and we have seen the family members of Leena. Okay, now we know the names of Leena's family members. Okay, now what you have to do is you have to make a family tree like this. Okay, did you get it? So you have to make a family tree like this and you have to paste the photographs of your family members. Okay, you have to paste the photographs of your family members. After that, you have to write their names like this. Okay, if you are pasting your grandmother's photo here, you have to write her name. Okay, if you are pasting your grandfather's photo like this, you have to write his name. Okay, did you understand? Now, I'll give you another homework. So, we have seen Leena's family members and now we know Leena's family members' name. Okay, have you seen this vocabulary activity? Okay, this is the second activity in our textbook, activity B. Okay, can you see this? Read the following words. See this? This is grandfather. Can you see? This is grandmother. This is father. Repeat after me. Father. This is mother. Okay. This is sister and this is brother. Okay. So, I have shown you Leena's family members and I have given you a homework. So, what you have to do is you have to make a family tree and paste the photograph of your family members and write their names. After that, see this? This is Leena's family. Okay, this is Leena and this is Leena's family. We already know all of these members' name. Okay, see this? Here is an exercise for you. Have you seen this? And Leena's family members' names are also given here. Let's see this. Father. Okay, what is written here? Sorry, Leena. Okay, this is Leena's grandfather. What is his name? Madan Mehta. And what is this? Leena's grandmother. What is her name? We have already learned. Kamlesh Mehta. Okay. Now, father's name. What is Leena's father's name? Ashok Mehta. And what is her mother's name? Renu Mehta. And her brother's name is Anil. So, these are Leena's family members' name. Now, see the activity here. This is the second homework for you. You have to fill in the blanks. Okay, see this. Leena's dash is Madan Mehta. Leena's dash is Madan Mehta. Can you tell me who is Madan Mehta? Yes, Leena's grandfather is Madan Mehta. Lina's grandfather is Madan Mehta. Like this, you have to fill all these blanks. Okay, did you get it? So, I'll repeat once again. You have two homeworks. One is you have to prepare a family tree and you have to paste the photographs of your family members and write their names. Your second homework is you have to fill in the blanks. Okay. Once you do the homework, take a photograph and send it to me in school WhatsApp number. See you in next class. Thank you, children.